In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Slack. We'll walk through the Slack interface, open the marketplace, find the right Outlook apps, review the details you should know, and finish by authorizing the connection through Microsoft so you can start using Outlook alongside your Slack workspace. By the end, you'll be set up to bring emails and scheduling closer to your Slack conversations, saving time and keeping context in one place. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in a web browser and sign into the workspace where you want this connection available. Look over to the left sidebar and scroll until you see the Apps section. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so Apps is visible. Click Apps to open the Apps experience inside Slack. Here, look for the three dots menu near the top of the Apps view and select Manage. This takes you to the management area for apps installed in your workspace. From here, choose Browse Apps to discover new integrations. On the Browse page, open the Slack Marketplace in Slack by selecting the option to open it in the Marketplace view. In the Marketplace search bar, type Outlook and then choose to see all results for your search so you can view everything Slack offers related to Outlook. You'll notice two key listings, Outlook Calendar and Slack for Outlook. Open Outlook Calendar first to confirm what it provides. This one focuses on bringing your events and availability into Slack, including reminders and status updates. Next, go back to your results and open Slack for Outlook. This is the add-in that lets you share an email to a Slack conversation or send a message to yourself from Outlook, right from your inbox. Before installing, take a moment to review the tabs on the app page. The description gives a quick overview of what the add-in does. Check permissions to understand what data access is required and why. Security and compliance and the scopes area help you assess how the app handles authentication and data, which is especially important if you work in a regulated environment. It's also helpful to glance at pricing and supported languages to make sure it fits your plan and your team's needs. Once you're comfortable with the details, click Add to Slack. You'll be redirected to Microsoft's Marketplace page for the Slack for Outlook add-in. Click Get It Now to start the installation. Sign in with your Microsoft account that's tied to your Outlook inbox, and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to grant permissions so Outlook and Slack can talk to each other. If your organization manages app approvals, you might see an admin approval step. If that happens, simply request approval and continue once it's granted. When the add-in finishes installing, it becomes available in Outlook and the connection to Slack is established. Head back to Slack and you're ready to go. From Outlook, you'll see the Slack add-in where you can choose a channel or direct message and include optional context when you share an email. From Slack's side, you'll see messages appear with the shared email details, keeping teammates aligned without jumping between tools. If you prefer working from the calendar side, remember that Outlook Calendar is also available in the marketplace and can help with status updates and reminders. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see apps in Slack, your workspace may restrict app browsing. Check with your admin. If the Get It Now button in Microsoft's Marketplace doesn't appear, make sure you're signed in with a supported work or school account for Outlook. And if messages aren't flowing after installation, sign out and back into Outlook, or refresh Slack to reestablish the session. That's it. You've opened Slack, navigated to apps, browsed the Marketplace, reviewed the Outlook listings and their details, added Slack for Outlook, completed the Microsoft authorization, and you can now use Outlook features directly alongside your Slack conversations.